Hey, good morning. It looks like we've got some rain that's already moving in, and we expect to see more scattered showers and thunderstorms later on today. I think that the rainfall really should start picking up for this afternoon and evening and even overnight. Now, rain totals are going to be heavy with this, probably an inch and a half to 2 inches. That's not a bad thing for us. We actually could use the rainfall. I'll look out the window right now. This is going to be looking out towards, I believe that's out towards Johnson Mill, looking northbound on I-49. Some heavy traffic this morning. We're already seeing some of those showers that have been moving around parts of the river valley. We got hit with a little bit of rainfall last night in Fort Smith, and we'll see some more rain too as we head into the afternoon, even some thunderstorms. The main risk of severe weather for today is going to be some small hail. There could be some bigger hail tomorrow. If you had to pick between the 2 days, the day that has the higher severe weather risk is going to be Friday, and that's mostly in the afternoon. So what's happening right now? Taking you over to the radar, you can see some scattered showers moving out there. There's breaks here and there. Let me zoom out here. See the low, just a lee low right there east of the Rockies. This low pressure is going to dip and dive to the southeast, essentially following the track of that front. Right now, the front is stalled, and what we're having is warm air upgliding over the front. So when you have warm air gliding over the front, it's more of a showery rain, whereas if you have a cold front, it throws that warm air up fast. That's more of a thunderstorm type rain. Could we have thunder? Yeah, sure. But it's more of an upglide type rain today, which is more showery. It's elevated showers and storms, and the main risk with that is typically hail. But if I zoom in, you can see this area of rainfall that's headed right towards northwest Arkansas and Fort Smith. These scattered showers are going to continue on and off really throughout the day today. So, going back to what those fronts look like, I thought I'd do a little explainer. It makes a little bit more sense here. You're looking at the warm air at the top image. See how it's up gliding over the cold air? So it's just a slow ascent. Whereas with the cold air, it's more of a steep ascent. And when you throw the warm air up like that, you get more violent storms. So cold fronts cause stronger storms than warm fronts. If you get a storm that's rooted on the boundary, there's some exceptions to that. But for generally speaking, warm fronts are showery, cold fronts are more on the stormy side. So let's look at the data. I want to take a look at the model data here and really step through time and see what happens. This is where we are heading into this morning. You can see some scattered showers out there moving in. We saw that on radar, right? Let's go to lunchtime today, right around noon. Still have some rain out there. There may be a bit of a lull here and there. You can see it's not a constant heavy rainfall, but on and off showers and on and off rounds of rain today. And then going through the evening, this is going to be 6 o'clock tonight. Still dealing with scattered showers out there. So on and off rain as that fetch of moisture. You can see that humidity that continues creeping north. All right, let's fast forward into Friday morning. This is Friday morning at 6 a.m. Here's more rain out there. Still a bit of a break on and off rainfall. As we head into the afternoon on Friday, this is 9 in the morning first. You can see some heavy rain moving through northwest Arkansas. Afternoon storms start developing. Let's see, this is the lunch hour, so a little bit calm around noon. But as we head into about 3 o'clock, scattered showers and storms start popping up in Fort Smith. They start moving into northwest Arkansas. And then that boundary finally starts sweeping through late in the evening. If you look real close, see that spin? You have to look here in southwest Oklahoma. That's that low pressure dive in southeast that I just mentioned. So that low is going to spin counterclockwise. And on the backside of it, that blue is snow. It may snow in Oklahoma City this upcoming weekend. I don't think we get the snow. You can see it all moves out. And by the way, this moves out of the area. This is still Saturday morning at 6. So there could be some lingering clouds early before everything sweeps out. But generally speaking, here comes the rain. Showery rain today, heavier storms for tomorrow, and then a clearing for the weekend, but also turning much cooler. So, severe weather wise, the severe threat for today isn't all that high. For us, there's a limited chance of seeing some hail. Tomorrow, the severe weather threat does increase. It is mostly hail, would be the main threat. That's the highest. Sure, damaging winds, even an isolated rotating storm, it's possible. We're heading into spring months, but I really feel like taking a look at this, that hail is going to be probably the biggest issue. The second big story out of all this is the rain. We need the rainfall, and we're looking at about an inch and a half on average right now, anywhere between 1 and 2 inches. I think most of us are going to be a little bit closer to 2 inches as the storms move through. Those storms will be tracking across the area both today and tomorrow. So make sure the kids have the umbrella. Make sure you have the umbrella this afternoon because there will be some scattered showers and storms that are out there. I'll try to keep you posted on the Oz Weather app. It's free on Google Play and on the Apple App Store. Post the forecast on there. It's mainly a page where you can link up to weather from across the area. I'm doing this as a supplement to other weather information. So as severe weather happens, that may or may not be available, but you'll be able to track the radar there. And there's also plenty of other great weather sources in the area too that are on TV. A lot of my friends as well. That's what's going on weather-wise. We're going to be looking at these showers and storms as they move on through, and I think we're in for some great weather this weekend, but it is going to be cool. Guys, we may have a freeze this weekend. So if you already have plants outside, make some plans ahead of time now. We may need to cover those things up Saturday night into Sunday, maybe Sunday and Monday. we'll see what those low temperatures are. But it will get drastically cooler with north winds and highs only in the 50s. Hey, it's Thursday, almost to the weekend. Make it a great one.